Hello everyone, so today I have a project share, and this is a DT project for Diamond Dies, and I made a flip book. Alright, so I did use quite a bit of dies, but I really only used them once. So also I want to let you know that if you would like to purchase any of these dies, to use the code Thanks Rosa for a 10% off your total purchase. Over $35 plus free shipping worldwide. And these dies I've been using quite a bit lately, and you will see them in my next projects. So I kind of made a tag, but I stuck it on there so you can't remove it. And the theme of this flip book, because it's already past Valentine's Day, but it is kind of like a Valentine's themed. And so it does have like a lot of hearts in it and stuff. I haven't used this die in a while, the mason jar, and I really like it. And I used it along with the nesting ticket, and what's really nice is that you can fit this ticket right here into here, and it fits perfect. And then what I did was I added the smaller one to add a layer, and you can see that it's perfect. I finally used this super cute couple. I think they are adorable. I finally got to use it. The labels one. Of course, I made a bow. And I also used the Love from the Love Sanding die set. What else? I was going to say something else. Oh, yes. In the description box, I will have the link to the Diamond Dies online store and to the Diamond Dies Facebook group page. Okay, so other dies that I used, I did use a lot of dies in this flip book. I used this one. This is the Shape Die Rose. That's what that looks like. And then I used these. These are all from different places, you guys. AliExpress, eBay, and Amazon. So I used all of these. I used another of these lovely girls, all of these hearts. This one right here, it makes a flower. And then this one cut, oh my god, this one cut so nicely. I love it, but I didn't get to use it. I only included it as goodies. Alright, so now let me show you the flip book. Alright, so here is the flip book, and I thought it came out so cute, you guys. And this is an envelope style of flip book. If you remember, I will have it in the description box. I'll have a link to the video where I gave you a quick tutorial on how to make the base, making envelopes, and how you adhere them together along with the gussets and stuff. So this is what is the final project, you guys. I did say that I would, next time you see it, it was going to be the final thing. And so this right here is a frame, and it's so cute. I made it into a shaker. I mean, it's a die set, and I just made it into a shaker. There's the love. There is the bow. This is the bow from Diamond Dies. It is the smallest one from the three. Here is one of my lovely girls, and she is just so cute. I gave her some red glitter shoes, and then behind that is like a doily heart, and all of this is attached to this flap of the envelope. And if you remember, I added a magnet here and a magnet here. It is, even though I added these gussets, you guys, you can see that it still becomes bulky. I kind of messed up by doing the rosette inside, but it's okay. And then I also added some, you can see right there, some flowers around the heart. Around this is a ribbon flower from Daiso. This is, I think, from I Am Roses. And this is that flower that I showed you from that die. And look how cute that is. I think it is adorable. So this opens up. And then it opens up one more time, and there is the rainbow with some clouds and some hearts, and that says, leave a little magic everywhere you go. And then I noticed that a lot of people like to use their sequins, and so I did that. And I have to say, I'm really impressed that the glue is, you know, this, it adhered the sequence with the glue I used. The reason why I'm saying this is because I've used other glues and the sequins do fall off. But this one worked really well, and I did mention this, I think when I made this flip book I mentioned this glue. But if you're interested in buying this glue, I will link the Instagram to Marty's page, so you can check out her Instagram page, and you can buy this from her. So that's what I use to adhere all of my pages and to adhere a lot of this stuff, especially this sequence. So that was really cool. And I added some Wink of Stella to this to make it shimmer. I don't know if you can tell, maybe not, but you can see some of the shimmer, right? You can see it right there, and I think it looks so pretty. This crepe paper, I got this idea from Robin, who is Turtle Creations for You here on YouTube. She made the most gorgeous embellishments with these, but she did it with her sewing machine. I have a sewing machine, but I don't know how to use it, so I did mine with hot glue. It came out okay, but I love the way hers came out. And if I can find that video, I will link it down below so you can check out. And hers were like long, like they look like garlands. Beautiful. All right, so here is that cute little couple, and here are those labels. One, oh, I forgot to show you the words. This is part of the words. It's a word die set from Diamond Dice. It's a 10-piece set, so that's really nice. I like how small they are. They are perfect. So this opens up. So on the left side, I have the heart. There's a mason jar, and here is the ticket dies. You can see how I layer them right there. And there is the hello, also from Diamond Dies. Here is that rose from Real Memory Keepers, and these are, I used that metallic pink paper, you know, from a gift bag to cut that out, and I thought that was really cute. Oh, I'll show you inside later, what's inside. Here is the tag. I just layered it with some heart. This is a rosette from Waffle Flower. And then just some ephemera pieces that I had. Just a couple of doilies behind there. And then this is a punch from EK Success. And inside each pocket, this right here is what's making it really bulky. Yeah. So I'm hoping that maybe after my swap partner takes all of this stuff out, it won't become as bulky. So I'm including this. Oh no, and I'm also including these, and these are the ones that I was saying that it cut out so nice. I love it. The only thing I don't like is that when you layer these, they kind of get, you know, but look how pretty that is. Really, really nice. And then I used some packaging. This is some packaging that I think I got some double-sided tape in this packaging by American Crafts. And so I like to use that. I don't throw it away. I like to use that for future projects. So let's see if I take everything out, if it'll flatten out. These are just some stickers from Dollar Tree. And then these are just from the Paper Studio. And then here I have more die cuts. Look how pretty that is. These cut out really nicely too. And that is this right here. So with these, I just cut them in half. We'll put one on the bottom left and then this one on the upper right. And then here is what the whole flip book looks like. It's really pretty. I really like. Oh, and this paper is digital paper from Frou Frou Crafts on Etsy. I will also link that in the description box. Oh yes, it closes so much better without the stuff. Oh yeah, because this is magnetic and you can actually feel it snap back on. So on this side of the spine, I added some pearl trim. That's from Recollections. And then on this side, I added some of that stretchy ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And then on top of that, this trim is from I'm pretty sure it's from Target because it was like a small spool. And then that's the back. And then here's the front. I love the front. This is like, I've been wanting to use these girls forever. I haven't used them. All I've done with them is cut them out and give them away. And I finally got to use this one. And this was my first time using the Nuvo dots. And it did really good, you guys. And it didn't take a very long time to dry. You know, like Stickles takes forever to dry. These Nuvo drops, I don't know, maybe like in 10 minutes they were already dried. And I was like scared when I touched it. And it was perfect. So that's what that looks like. So that is it for today, ladies. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And let me know what you think in the comments. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, even if you didn't like it. And write me a nice comment. Also, don't forget to visit Diemond Dyes for some of these awesome dyes. So, thank you for watching, everyone, and have a good day. Bye.